Hello everyone. Good evening. Sorry, I meant good morning. How are you all? So I'm here with your question practice on your. Sorry, this mentions only AOI and differential equations, but we'll have to discuss integrals as well, bacha. Yes, we're gonna do questions on integrals as well. We're gonna do questions on differential equation as well and application of integrals. Okay. So I hope this is all clear. So I'll just wait for 1 minute to everyone to join. Okay, once they are all here, we'll start with the questions. Okay, so I hope that's all right. Good morning. Waiting for all of you to join. Okay, just let me know how's the audio. Is the audio clear? Any problem with the video? Okay, just let me know, bacha. Hi Srinivas, good morning. Okay, so just waiting, bacha, 1 minute. We'll start the session quickly. So let's look at the first question. I'll show you that question. Meanwhile, you can try it. I will start solving in 1 minute. Okay, chaliye. So again, one more thing I want to say to all of you. It's going to be a very interesting session. I have taken some challenging problems. I will not be doing all the solutions. I will also give you just not solutions, also give you tricks how to solve these questions. Because what happens, no, if you go conventional way, you'll end up taking more time in these questions. So you have to outsmart yourself, how to think out of the box to get the right answer within a minute. Okay, because our time is very limited, no, in the examination. That's why. Okay, so let's have a look. Hi Shahana, good morning. Okay, so very important chapters, high weighted chapters. Okay, that's why it's very important to be here, be alert in this. You can't make mistake over here. Okay, a lot of questions are coming from there. Chaliye. So question number 1, while I wait for others, whoever are here, please solve question number 1. Find log x with the base 10. Integral of this, please check. What is the answer? Okay, chaliye. Come on. Still waiting, bacha. Sahana, Srinivas, give me answer for the question number 1. Okay, try, come on. Others who are here, please have more interactions with me. Talk to me, ask your doubts or ask your queries. Any general questions you have about the exams, anything else, I'll take that in the last at the end of the session. Right now, I have taken total of 14 questions today. We'll solve all of them, and again, I'll give you tricks also wherever possible in the questions. Okay, chaliye. So let's see this. Find integral of log with the base 10 x. Okay, so one thing you can see here, no, there's a exponential function introduced over here. E is there everywhere. Means let's try the base change formula for logarithmic. Srinivas, Sinu saying A. No, bacha, I think A is not right. Let me try. Cow is saying A as well. Let me try. I think A is incorrect. So let's just do this. Log x with the base E divided by log I think this 10 with the base E. The base change formula I can do in the reciprocal form this way. What this is going to become, please tell me. It will become integral of, I'll have log over here, of course, log x with the base E. There will be a constant here, bacha. And what is that constant? Log 10 with the base E dx. Check this out. This is logarithmic function, so let will use by parts. Will use, so log comes first. This is algebraic function. So function number 1, function number 2. Apply by parts and give me answer now. Sahana, Srinivas, Cow, give me answer now by applying by parts. Chaliye. Function 1 is the logarithmic function ln x, and function 2 is the constant ln 10 with the base E. The right answer would be what, bacha? How do you integrate this? So you keep the first function as it is. So log e power x remains as it is. Integrate this function. So what are you gonna get when you integrate this part? You'll have, this is a constant, right? So this will remain as it is. Just you'll have integration of dx left. Okay. So you write like this. Check this out. You'll have log of 10 with the base E and integrating dx. That's all. This is the first part of the by parts. Good morning, Shant. Minus sign you will do, bacha, over here for the by parts. Next, what will happen? You will integrate the derivative of the first one. Derivative of ln x, bacha. It is not log e power x. Okay. It's misleading. I'll write it as log with the base E. It's ln x actually. So log with the base E. So if you differentiate that, you're going to get 1 by x over here. And if you integrate this part, you'll again take this out. You'll get this as x. So you'll get this as x, and this as it is, you're going to get this as constant. No, this is a constant, will remain as it is. Again, there's another integration, so dx will come. Okay. Check here, what is my answer? So far, I'm getting here x log x with the base E, and this is as it is. Log 10 with the base E minus this, and this is cancelled. I'll integrate this again. I'll get the same value, x log 10 with the base E. You can see here I can take, bacha, x also common. I don't want x common. I can take just simply log common. Okay. So my answer will turn out to be, of course, there will be a constant of integration. See here. Okay, so I will have here, if you check this out, log e to the log 10 to the base e common. I have here x log x with the base e minus x here, right? I've taken only this part common. Chaliye. So option is C, bacha. Have a look. Option is C. Others, please try. Okay, Shant, give me answer. Sahana, bacha, check your answer now. I think now it should be clear. Okay, it's not A actually, it's C. Have a look. Is it clear now? Sahana, Srinivas, all of you got incorrect answer. That's why I'm asking you. Okay, so can we proceed to the next question? Tell me, how are you today, this morning? Okay, doing good? Exams coming by? All right, C is correct. Chaliye, yes, cow, C is correct. Let's move on to question number 2 now. Find this integral. Who's solving these questions for me? Come on. I want the participation from all of you. I want you to solve the questions. So who's solving question number 2 for me? Shant, you're solving today. Come on. Question number 2. Shant, solve it. Srinivas also. Shahana, cow, solve the question number 2. How do you do it, bacha? How do you do it? So I can take a substitution and then solve it. Then solve the integral with the help of substitution, and at the last switch the variable and use the limits. Right now, there are two ways to solve this question. First of all, use substitution, change limits, and then solve the integration, of course. Otherwise is solve the integration and at last you put the limits. Okay, chaliye, let's try that method. So I'm gonna do what? I'm gonna take this x as, please check, tan theta. When you do that, what is the differentiation of this? It'll become dx by d theta equals to sec square theta. Okay, so I have simply dx as sec square theta d theta, right? And this whole thing will become, if you remember, this is the formula, right? Sine inverse of 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but sine 2 theta, no? This part is sine 2 theta. This will become sine 2 theta. Sine inverse of sine 2 theta is how much, bacha? It's simply 2 theta, right? It's simply 2 theta, right? All of you, what happened? Come on. I'm not getting any answers from all of you. Okay, so this is 2 theta. All right, let's do one thing. Now put it back in the integration. What we have, integral will write, it will become 2 theta sec square theta d theta, right? How come, sir? But this whole thing is turning out to be 2 theta, no? This whole thing is turning out to be 2 theta, right? Whereas dx is coming as sec square theta d theta, right? Please check. All right, do one thing, take 2 common. You have here theta sec square theta d theta. Again, we'll use what, bacha? We're going to use by parts. Okay, so by parts is one of the very important chapters, one of the topics in the integral chapter, which keeps coming in the examination. Okay, Sant is saying 2a, but I think option should be option D. Please check. That time I'll solve the question, you just cross check your answer. It should be option D, bacha. Question number 2 is option D. Let's try this now. So I'll have what? Again, will use ATE. So this is going given the first preference. This is the second function. So keep the first one as it is. So we'll have here theta as it is. Then into integral of this. Integral of sec square is how much, sir? Tan theta. This is a minus sign integration. Differentiation of the first function. So 1. Okay. And integrate the second function. So simply, bacha, tan theta. We have the theta again over here. What I get? 2 times of theta tan theta minus log sec theta, na? Please check. How come, sir? Tan theta integration, bacha. What is the integral of tan theta? Log sec theta. Okay, please check. We can't integrate 2 tan inverse of x by using part. Correct. Yeah. All right, so this is what your answer is going to be. Please check. From here you have to substitute back the variable. What is that going to be, sir? Have a look. So I can write this in terms of x now. It will become 2. Theta will be tan inverse of x. Theta will be tan inverse of x. So right here, tan inverse of x. What is tan theta, sir? Simply x into x. I can rewrite this to have some space. 1 second. All right. Please check. Okay. What is there, bacha? I can see this. Okay, this is correct. Log of sec theta, right? What is that going to be? Have a look. Log of sec theta, sir. Tan is x, no? So sec square theta will become 1 plus tan square theta. So 1 plus x square theta in the root. Okay, so we have log of root 1 plus x square. Now you put the limits back. What is that? 0 to root 3. 0 to root 3. You try that now. You'll get the answer. This 2 pi by 3 and log 4. 2 pi by 3 and log 4. Please try. Okay? Please try. You're gonna get this, no? You'll have 2 over here. When you put root 3, it'll become x is there, right? So you'll have root 3 over here. Okay? And tan inverse of root 3 is over which? It's going to be pi by 3, no? Minus, if you put 3 over here, it'll become 1 plus 4. So log minus log root 2 minus log 2. This for 0, it'll be 0. Okay? And it'll also be log 1. So 0 again. Okay? This for upper limits. For lower limit, what will happen? Think about it. If you put 0 over here, no? This whole thing will be 0. Put here, it'll become log of 1. What is log of 1? Again 0. So at 0, both the values are coming 0. At root 3, this is the value. Okay. So what I'm getting now? Have a look. I'm getting 2 pi. This will cancel with root 3. 2 pi by root 3. And I have here minus 2 log 2. Bring this 2 on this side, it'll become log 4. Option D is correct. Okay. Chaliye. Option D is correct. I think everybody agree now. Shant? Ha ha ha. I don't know your name, bacha. Should I ask you always as ha ha ha? Okay, ha ha ha. You have done the answer. Coming as option number D. Please check. This is clear, right? I'll just show you once over here. Any part you're having doubt? Any part you're having doubt? Alright. Chaliye. So I'll move on to the question number 3 now. Let's move on to question number 3. Okay. Who's solving this question? Shant, please solve this question, bacha. This you should get without my help. Okay, this is a very simple question, a board level question. Yes, can be asked in a KCET as well. Okay, question can be asked, bacha, like this. Very good question actually. Smart and not much effort is required. Based upon the property, I'll tell you the property. You can give me the final answer. E power x, f of x is there, plus f dash of x is there. If you integrate this with dx, you get answer as e power x, f of x plus c. For indifferent integral. For definite, what you're going to get? Again, there will be no c. You have to apply the limits. Here the limits are given 0 to 1. Please check. Limits are given 0 to 1, sir. Cow, Shant, Shahana, bacha, answer for this question. 3. Come on, give me an answer. Okay. I want all of you to solve. None of you are going to solve today. What happened? Just because it is integration, sir, I will treat it differently. No. Come on. What you can do about this question? Please tell me. You'll get this as forget about the limits again, don't worry about that. Write it like this: x plus 1 and keep e power x outside. Okay, and keep it like this: minus 1 divided by x plus 1 ka whole square. We have dx, of course. Integration is already there. Okay, now if you do this, check this out. If you separate it, it will cancel this effect. So you'll have e power x outside. It will become 1 upon x plus 1. Thus this part, okay, minus 1 upon x plus 1 ka whole square. We all know that this is fx, this is f dash of x, this is fx, right? And this is f dash of x. Hence, answer would be, sir, e power x upon x plus 1 from where to where? From 0 to 1. Put it here, you're going to get e by 2. Now you'll get simply 1. Option B is correct. Okay, I think I'm getting the answers now. Shagufta is saying 3B. Very good, Shagufta. Okay, late you have joined today. What happened and why you're not in the first few questions? Okay, so question number 3 is done. Let's move on to question number 4 quickly. Okay, without wasting any time, because we'll have to use some time today. The questions might be lengthier. Okay, chaliye. This is a very simple question. No, you don't have to even do anything. Just look at the format. You can see here x plus 1 will be your e power x. Simply you can have this result and put the limits. None of this is required actually. So very simple question. Please check for this one. Okay. This also is very simple, bacha. No. You have to integrate this form and you'll get something like this. They are asking, bacha, value of b by a. Value of this whole thing inside the log by the constant a outside. Okay. Correct, no? That's what they're asking. Can you solve it? Can you solve it? Chaliye. So what can we do over here is simply take, actually before I do that, convert this cos into sine. What I have then? Integration of cos theta d theta divided by 5 plus sine theta. It will become, bacha, 1 minus sine square, no? So minus 2, right? Plus 2 sine square theta. All of you agree? All of you agree? Please check. If you put cos square as 1 minus sin square, it will become minus 2 plus 2 sin square theta. Okay, so what I have so far, I have here cos theta, okay, d theta. I get here 5 minus 2, so 3 plus 7 sin theta plus 2 sin square theta. Okay, now do one thing, put sin theta as t. What are you gonna get? You're gonna get this as cos theta d theta equals to dt. Okay, so this integration will become dt upon this whole thing, dt upon 3 plus 7t plus 2t square. Correct now? 4a is correct. Is 4a correct? Sant, I think you are hurrying in the question, bacha. I think 4d is correct, no? But close. 1 by 5 will be there, bacha. You have forgotten the factor. When you do the by parts, sorry, yeah, by partial fraction, you get 1 by 5 also the coefficient, no? Divide that. You have just taken the, this is the b part actually. This is b theta. You divide by 1 by 5, no? So what is, this is the value of b theta actually. Divide this by a, what are you gonna get? The option number D. Sant, please check. Okay, so for that, what you'll have over here, this will become, they can be factorized, right? I can write this over here like this. 1 second. Please check. Alright, so what I'll have here dt upon, it'll become 2t plus 1 and t plus 3, right? 2t plus 1 and, or I can write this part first. 1 second. Anyways, okay, I want to write this part first, okay? So t plus 3 and 2t plus 1. Why I want to write this? Please check. I have 2t into t, it will become 2t square. 3 into 1 will be 3, 2t into 3, 60, and t into 1 will be 1t, making it 70. The factors are right. Have a look. Okay, so what we can do now is, this is the integration, right? So integrate this. I can make the comparison with the partial fractions. So it will become, bacha, 1 upon t plus 3 times of 2t plus 1 equals to a upon t plus 3 plus b upon 2t plus 1. I think if you solve this, no, I will not solve this. I think you will get a as, minus 1 by 5, and b, I think you will get as 2t is there. No, yeah, you'll get 2 by 5. Please check. Everyone, please check how I am doing this. Just, you know, take the LCM, write a times of 2t plus 1, b times of 2t plus 3, b times of t plus 3, and compare the coefficient of t in the numerator. Okay, what happened, guys? All right, so when you do that, you get a as minus 1 by 5 and b as 2 by 5. Correct now? When you do that, this whole thing will become, the integration will become, have a look, this I will transform into integration of minus 1 by 5 outside, 1 upon t plus 3 dt is there, plus 2 by 5 integration of 1 upon 2t plus 1 dt is there. Okay, so this will become, have a look, I'll write it over here, the last step. So I have minus 1 by 5 log of t plus 3, okay, and I have 2 by 5 log of 2t plus 1 divided by 2. Because of this constant multiplied to the variable 2t, I have to divide that by 2, bacha. I have a constant, of course, plus c over here. So this 2 and this 2 is cancelled. This 2 and this 2 is cancelled. Okay, so I have this log. Please check. So what I have so far is I equals to minus 1 by 5 log of t plus 3 plus 1 by 5 log of 2t plus 1. Okay, yes, Gupta, correct, bacha. So log of 2t plus 1 plus c is of course there. Okay, so let's do one thing, compare it over here. I get 1 by 5 constant as outside. Okay, log a minus log b, there's a minus sign, no? So log of this minus log of this, it will become in the fraction. So log of 2t plus 1 divided by t plus 3. Okay, and I get plus c. From here on you should get the answer as directly option D. How come, sir? Of course, if you check here, t is sin theta, no? So you'll have t by 3 over here. So sin theta by 3 over here, and you have 2t means 2 sin theta by 1, 2 sin theta plus 1, and 1 by 5 is there as a. So your a value is 1 by 5. So if you divide b theta by 1 by 5, what will it become? It will become 5 times of b theta. Correct, na? Which will give me the option to be, this is the value of your b theta, which will give the options to be option number D. So yes, the trick is there but will not be applied everywhere, okay? Some place you have to do the work actually. Please check, okay? Have a look. This is clear. This part is clear. If you have doubt, you can ask me. I understand chapters might be difficult, but that's it, bacha. That's why you are here, because you want to learn the integration, okay? You have asked for more questions in integration, that's why I'm doing it here. Please check. Let me know if all the steps are clear. What happened? Guys are very silent today. You guys are very silent today. Too difficult? Don't worry, we have differential equation as well. So that is difficult than integration, is it? No, it's not. It's easier than integration. Come on. Shagufta, your answer was right. Okay, so let's move on to question number 5. Okay, so this is again, you can solve this without any steps required. I think I can solve this without any step. Think about it. What is there? I have log. So I'll write one thing. Take log x as t. Now question is done. That's all. Take log x as t. What will happen to this integration? It will become root of 4 square plus t square dt. Now you can solve it from here, no? Okay, you can solve it from here. Please check. What is the answer going to be? X by 2. Remember, particular function, right? X by 2. The formula is x by 2, sir. What is x, bacha? Log x. So log x by 2. I have only two options like this. Option A or option B. Option A or option B. Now think about it. We have 16 plus t square over here. But this option has negative. Means it can't be there. Option D is correct. Got the trick for this question? Easy or not? We got to see here. This is what? 4 square plus log square. No. So we can't take negative, can we? The question has to be given in this form. What is the answer going to be? X by 2, same root will repeat, plus you'll have again a square by 2, of course, and then you'll have a log of course you have log of x or t basically, plus this whole root will repeat again. Okay, so that's what it is. Please check. Same thing is here. 8 log of x, same thing repeats. Okay, I forgot to write here log. Of course, please check. Yes, 5D, very good, Shagufta. Okay, very good. You can see that's how you can get the answer trick, very easily. Question number 5, we have done actually all the steps, but it is easier to catch the answer because of the simple options that is given to you. Okay, so option number 5 is D. I can make it clear. Okay, so option 5 is D, sir. Only D is correct. Let's move on to question number 6 now. Who's solving the question number 6? Sir, biology plus maths effect ranking. Bacha, again, I will take your questions of regarding anything else other than the questions, the topic we are doing right now at the end of the session. Right now, let me get back to the questions because others are waiting. Already difficult chapters. I can see less participation today. Okay, I actually hope for more participation because I'm coming live for all of you to solve a very difficult chapter. Okay, but unfortunately, not all of you are here. Let's solve question number 6 quickly. Okay. Find ex upon 5 minus 4 e power x to e power x. Okay, what is the answer? Again, let's try to simplify it to some extent. Then we can check the answer quickly from the options. Okay, what we can do is take this e power x as t will become e power x. Again, dx will come to dt. Okay, so this will become integration of dt upon root of 5 minus 4t. Okay, minus 2t square. Na e power 2x is there. It means e power x the square. E power 2x is e power x square. It means minus 2t square. Let's take minus 2 common over here to make this as t square. It will become dt upon root of 5 minus 2t 2 common here. So it will become bacha t square plus 2t. Correct na? I have taken here minus 2 common. So it will become t square plus 2t. What is missing over here? Plus 1 is missing. Okay, so let's add that part. So we have here dt upon, integral is there of course. We have here 5 minus 2 times of, take this out. You get here simply as t square plus 2t minus 1, sorry, plus 1 minus 1. Okay, and this will become, have a look. I can take this 2 common, no? This 2 I can take common, which will become, I can take this outside actually. It will become root 2 actually. Have a look. So it will become, sir, dt upon, I take a root 2 common. Okay. So it will be 5 by 2 minus t plus 1 ka whole square, okay, and plus 1, right? This part is clear. Sixth answer is D. Correct. I think sixth answer is D only, right? D or C, bacha. I think C is correct, no? C is correct, Shagufta. This 1 by 2, root 2 over here, bacha. 1 by root 2 is here. Please check. I think in the option D, root 2 is not there, okay? Please check, okay? So, I can take this 1 by root 2 common now. Outside, it will become now. I'll have integral of dt upon. Please check. I have 1 plus 5 by 2. How much is that? 1 plus 2.5. 3.5. 7 by 2. So, write this as 7 by 2 minus t plus 1 the whole squared. Okay, from there you can get now it will become root 7 by root 2. No, which option is suitable? So option this can't be true. There is a negative sign, so this is not there. This is not there. Okay, yes, this is there. Root 2 by root 7, root 2 by root 7, but there is no 1 by root 2 over here. There is no 1 by root 2 over here. It means this is also not there. Option C is correct. Please check. Correct now, all of you getting it right? Formula, bacha. 1 by root 2 is there. This is going to be sine inverse of x by a. What is this going to be? Please check. 1 by root 2 sine inverse of x. So t plus 1 by a. What is a, sir, over here? Root 5 by root 7 by root 2. 1 second. A will be root 7 by root 2. Root 7 by root 2. How come, sir? How come, sir? I have 7 by 2, no? How can you make this whole square? How can you make this part as whole square? So this will of course become, what, sir? It will become root 7 by 2 the whole square, na? So I have a square minus x square. A square minus x square, the formula is sine inverse of x by a. That's your answer. Option number C is correct. Okay, yes, Sahana. Very good, bacha. Okay. Let's move on to what happened to others. Okay. 6 is done. If you are having doubts, ask, bacha. If you are not able to solve it, ask your doubts. I will explain it to you. Have I not explained to you in previous sessions? If you are having any doubt, you ask me. Okay? Chaliye. Question number 7, can you solve? Question number 7, I will not solve all the questions. Okay? This one I will give you the steps. Okay? But I will give you the answer. You have to solve from your side. So it's like a homework. You try it from your side. Okay? I'll give you option also. I'll give you everything that you need to solve it. Think about it. What I have, area bounded by this curve and this line. Okay, so x square plus 4y plus 4 I have, and over here I have 3x plus 4y equal to 0. From here I get 4y equal to minus 3x. Correct, now? Put it here. I get x square equals to minus 3x plus 4. Bring it on this side. X square plus 3x minus 4 equals to 0. Factorize this, sir. What I get? X minus 1 and x plus 4. How come, sir? X into x, x square, x into 4 is plus 4x, minus x is going to be 3x. I'll repeat, x into 4 is 4x, minus 1 into x is minus x, makes it 3x, and minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. So factors are there. So I have two values of x, 1 and minus 4. So if you check this out, the graph will have something like this. Okay? And your lines will be like this only, right? What is there? You have x equals to minus 4 over here, and over here what I have, bacha? I have here this as 1. Okay, so integrate this function, this line only you integrate, right? Yeah, line minus this curve actually. So right here, make the subject as y over here. You have to make the subjects at both the places. Okay, difficult, sir? I'm giving you steps. You have to solve it from here. So please pay attention. Any doubt you have, you ask me. Okay, so from the first function I get the subject y as, I already have the subject, minus 3x by 4. Minus 3x by 4. This is the linear part. What about this, sir? It will get be x square by 4 minus 1 equals to y. Please check. How come, sir? You divide this, take this minus 4 on this side, divide by 4. It will become x square by 4 and minus 4 by 4, no? So minus 1. No? X square minus 4 divided by 4. So this will become 1 only, no? And this will be x square by 4 minus 1. Same thing is written over here. Please check. Same thing is there, sir. Same thing is there, bacha. Okay. Now you have the functions, put it in the integral form to get the area under the curve. Chali. So area bounded we need. Let's do one thing. Subtraction from where to where, sir? Minus 4 to 1. The limits is there for x. I'll take here minus 3x by 4 minus 6 by 4 minus this part. x square by 4 minus 1, okay, dx. I'm giving you everything that you need to solve this answer. Please check. Your option will come as option number D. Very simple actually. Please check. This is your homework. Option D should be coming, bacha, for question number 7. Okay. All right. Have a look. Let's move on to question number 8 now. Okay. Total area enclosed by the curves. Solve this. I will solve this question. No problem. I can solve it. Previous one I have given you as homework. This one I will solve it. Okay. So guys, I have less participation today. What happens? This chapter very difficult. What's the reason? 7D is correct. Yes, bacha. 7D I think I've given, no? 7D is correct. Good, Shagufta. Okay. So let's solve question number 8 now. The total area in square units enclosed by the curves y equal to x cube. Okay. Okay. This is a curve, right? And y equal to x. Something like this. You can see this is symmetric. So just find one of the area and multiply by 2. So I'll find this area and multiply this by 2. So let's take this area to be, 1 second, I'll take this area to be small a. You'll see the reason. I'll take this area to be small a. This also will be small a only. So my capital A will become twice of small a. Okay, twice of small a. What's the limit? Please check. The limit will be minus 1 and 1, I think. Check here. X cube equals to x, right? So I get here x cube minus x equals to 0. So I get here x times of x square minus 1 equal to 0, giving me answer as x equal to 0 plus 1 and minus 1. So 0 is over here. This is minus 1 and this is plus 1. Correct now? These are the critical points. Okay. Now we can integrate this like this over here. Integrating from 0 to 1, y equal to x. So x minus x cube. From where to where, sir? From where to where? Okay, this is given already. Dx is there. 0 to 1. I have taken the limits already. So this line x minus this curve x cube. The area between that, right? Okay, 0 to 1 is there. I have taken everything. Let's integrate now. So this is value of small a actually. So let's do that. I'm getting small a as integration from where to where, x square by 2. Then I'll have minus x power 4 pi 4. From where to where? From 0 to 1. So I get for 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, and for 0 it will be simply 0 only. Okay, this is your value for a. So a is coming as 1 by 4. So what is the required area, bacha? Required area would be, a will be 2 times of a. So 2 times of 1 by 4. How much is this? 1 by 2. Option C is correct. Why I have taken 2 times of this? Because this area into and this area, right? This is 1 by 4. This part is 1 by 4. I want both the areas. No, that's why I have taken 2 times of that. 8 is coming as C. Yes, Agufta. It is coming as C. Lakshmi Singh, sir, the questions are difficult. Bacha, again, I want to remind you, it's not my fault. These are KCET problems, not PYQs, but KCET ready problems from the difficult chapter of integration, AOI and differential equation. I understand they are difficult, I understand they are challenging, but 2 things to do it. First thing is high weightage. Second thing is I am here to explain you anything that you want to ask. You ask me your doubt, I'll explain it to you in the simplest way possible. Okay, chaliye. Sorry Lakshmi, what can I do, bacha? The topic is like this. I have to do it. Okay, question number 8 is done. Alright, so let's do one thing. I will wait here for some time extra after the session is complete. So total I've taken 14 questions, so I have 6 more to go. I'll solve the 6 questions, then I'll wait here for anyone who has doubt, something extra. You want me to repeat any question? I will wait and you can ask me your doubts again. I'll repeat the entire question again. Is that okay, Lakshmi? That works. So question number 9, let's do it. Question number 9. Yes, Sahana, C is right. Using integration, find the area enclosed by the parabola. Okay. Symmetric about x-axis, sir. This is symmetric about x-axis, sir. Okay. And this line, y equal to mx. Okay. I have to find, excuse me, this is the coordinate, right? 0, 0. Let's find this coordinate first. How can you do that? How can you do that? So put here, no? Y value put in this equation will become mx the whole square. Y value, bacha, from here I am putting in this equation. Y equal to mx the whole square equals to 4ax. Okay, so I get here m square x square equals to 4ax. Alright, This is cancelled. I'm getting x value as 4a by m square. What I'm getting? 4a by m square. Does y matter? No sir, y does not matter to us. Only x value is relevant to us. Okay, so we have to integrate this under this curve. So basically this is the area we're looking for. So under the parabola above the line. So how do you do that? How do you do that? Please check. So we can integrate like this. So integration of, we'll have to find the curve, root of yax minus mx integral on dx. Okay, from where to where? From 0 to this limit, 0 to 4a by m square. 4a by m square. Very difficult. Okay, let's do it. Guys, please try. Sahana, Shagufta, Lakshmi, whoever are live, please solve this question. Shan. Okay, let's solve this. So what you can do about this question, integrate this. Root 4 is a constant, no? So keep it outside. Root 4a is a constant kept outside. Integrate root x. It will become bacha x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. है ना? What about this? It will become m times of x square by 2. From where to where? From 0 to this value, 4a by m square. This is it. Now rest is substitution. Rest is substitution, sir. Please check. From here we have to do only one thing, substitute the variables. Okay, so you don't have to worry about the lower limit, because if you put x as 0, it will become 0. Here also will become 0. Only the upper limit matters. Okay, so let's check. I have root 4a. Let's keep it like this, root 4a. Okay, what else I have? I can write it over here actually. Same thing I'll repeat over here. Have a look. I'll repeat over here. I have root 4a. I have x power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 minus mx square by 2 from 0 to 4a by m square. 4a by m square. Please check. Correct now? Yeah, this is all right. Let's put the values now. As I said, lower limit doesn't matter because it will make 0. Only upper limit matters. Okay, so I have here root 4a as it is. But sir, this 3 by 2 can be taken upside, no? It will become 2 by 3. This is a constant, so keeping like this. Now x value, what is x value, sir? X power 3 by 2, x value I have to put, no? Excuse me, I made a mistake. Yeah. Okay, so what is x value, bacha? 4a by m square power 3 by 2. Power 3 by 2 minus m times of, what we have m by 2, I can keep like this. I'll have 4a by m square power 2. 4a by m square power 2. Okay, now please check what I'm getting now. I'm getting this value as what else? Okay. I'm getting m square. Okay, m cube will become, no problem. It will become m power 4, m cube will become, not a problem. So what is this going to be? 2 by 3 root of 4a. What I have over here? So it will become, bacha, check this out. 4a power 3 by 2 na. 4a power 3 by 2 divided by m power, so m square power 3 by 2 minus m by 2 4a ka whole square divided by m power 4. I've tried to make it as simple as possible. Think about it. 4a ka whole square, m square ka whole square is m power 4. Over here 4a power 3 by 2, m square power 3 by 2. Okay, now calculation. 9a is the right answer. Please check. I am not sure. 9a is right answer. No, bacha. 9c is right answer. Shagufta, 9c is right answer. Please cross check. Okay, so what will happen over here? M with this will be m cube. Again, what I'm gonna get? This 2 and 2 will be cancelled. I have here 2 by 3. Check this out. What is it going to be? 4a power 1 by 2. Root means 1 by 2. I have 4a power 3 by 2. Okay, what I have in denominator? M cube minus 16 or simply 4a ka whole square upon 2m cube, sir. Upon 2m cube, sir. Okay, so this is going to be 2 by 3 m cube 4a power 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Okay, minus 4a the whole square by 2m cube. Check here, I'm getting here also whole square. I'm getting here also whole square. Okay, I can take something common over here. What is common, sir? M cube is common first of all. 1 by m cube is common. Okay, 4a the whole square is common. I'm getting here 2 by 3 minus 1. It'll become bacha what? Minus, right? Please check 2 by 3 minus 1. Have a look. 4a the whole square. Okay, this is 2 over here. I forgot the 2, I think. 1 by 2. Okay. So what I'm getting over here is 16a square by m cube. LCM is going to be 6. I have here 4 minus 3. So 2 3 are 6 and 2 8 are this. I get a square. This 4 minus 3 is 1. No, 8 square by 3m cube. Okay. Option is C. One more thing for everyone who has a question, sir. How can we solve this question in KCET examination? Okay, but you don't have to solve all the steps. After you get this, I think after you get this part, okay, you can see from here only that MQ is coming in the denominator and this is coming. So MQ is coming and this is coming. We can't have 32, okay? We can't have 32. This part, again, 3 was there. How come 3 is there, sir? Because of this. 3 is there. Okay, so from here you have to pick the option as, there will be an option with 3, 32 can't be there, means option C is correct. I'll repeat myself. Okay, this is you're getting a square by m cube is there, means this option cannot be there. Option D is out. Okay, 32 is not coming. All right, we can't have this without 3, means denominator has 3 over here. Please check. There's a 3 over here, means 3 cannot be cancelled. There's no 3 term in the numerator, is there? Means I can't cancel 3. Of course 3 will be there and there can be 32. Okay, so only option B and C will be the correct answer. You can choose the C1 after solving it. Okay, otherwise 32 is not coming, bacha. Please check here. There's a difference. No, it will not come that big number. That's why we can make the answer to be option C. Question number 9 is done. Okay, so 10th now. All right, so yes, integration you can't apply the tricks right away. By looking at the question, if you solve few steps, you can get the answer right. Okay, question number 10 now, solution of the differential equation. This one, bacha. How do you solve this? Okay, is the question getting difficult and difficult? No, so this will be very, very easier. Check this out. You'll have x square plus y square equals to t. Do that. What are you gonna get? So 2x plus 2y, okay, dy by dx equals to dt by dx. All right, let's do one thing. Right here, x plus y dy by dx. Take 2 common, bring this 2 on this side. Why, sir? Because in the question they have given this form actually. I can substitute this directly. Okay, so it will become, so x plus y dy by dx equals to 1 by 2 dt by dx. Now check the question transformation. It will become, so 1 by 2 dt by dx equals to t square, sorry, sec t square, no? Excuse me. Sec t actually, not even t square, sec t. Sec t. This is t, right? Putting it over here. So sec t. Now make this change. You get here, there's a dx of course. So make this dt by sec t equals to dx, 2dx, right? Now integrate, bacha. What are you gonna get? dt, I have, this will become cos, no? Cos t dt integration. You'll have here 2 times of dx integration. This will become, sir, sin t equal to 2x plus c, of course. What is going to be sin of x square plus y square equals to 2x plus c. Finally, sir, some simple question. Okay, finally, sir, some simple question. Question number 10th is done. Please check. Option, this is correct. D is correct. Please have a look. Option D is correct. Yes. Okay. Have a look. This is clear, right? 10th D. Yes, Agufta. 10th D is correct. Let's move on to question number 11. Okay. Solution of the differential equation. How can you solve this? Sahana, very good. 10th D is again correct, bacha. Question number 11. How do you solve this part? A very good question. How can you solve this, sir? Please check. This is a very good question. Very, very good question. Okay. I think option C would be right, but I'm not sure. Let's solve it. It will become 1 plus e power xyy, okay, dx equals to, take the side over here, it will become minus e power x by y times of 1 minus x by y dy. Okay, I've taken the second term on the other side. I've taken the second term on the other side. So what I get now? So I get this as 1 plus e power x by y dx by dy. Okay, I can bring this back over here. So plus e power x by y 1 minus x by y equal to 0. So I've just taken this on this side, dividing by dy, bacha. If you want, you can do it over here also. Divide everything by dy, sir. You'll get the same result what I'm getting. Clear? Now substitution will be there, bacha. I will take this x by y as t. X by y as t. Okay. So you get x equals to yt. Differentiate now. You're gonna get here dx by x is nothing but 1, right? Please check. Dx by x will be 1 only, right? Yeah. Okay, you'll get 1 over here. 1 equals to you're gonna get this as y dy by dx, actually dy by dx. This will be simply, sir, t as it is plus keep y as it is and dt by dx. Okay, so I have something like this. Okay, I'm looking for dy actually. Excuse me, sir, this is all incorrect. How come, sir? How come incorrect? Because check here, we have dy in the differentiation. The derivative variable is dy, sir. Differentiate here. It will become, sir, dxy dy actually equals to simply t. Differentiating y will be 1 only, no? So simply t, or keep y as it is, dt by dy. I hope you understand this. We have to differentiate with respect to the variable y. That's why dx by dy, t plus y dt by dy. Okay. So please solve others. Try from here. What you can do, substitute this value over here in terms of dx plus dy. What you're gonna get? This will become 1 plus e power t, 1 plus e power t, t plus y dt by dy. Okay. Next, what we have, bacha? Plus e power t. Okay. 1 minus t equal to 0. Correct, huh? E power t 1 minus t equal to 0. Have a look. So I have to expand over here, multiply this with this whole thing with 1. Same thing will be repeated, t plus y dt by dy, and then now multiply this with et. You'll get e power t. Okay, and this will get y e power t dt by dy. Again, if you expand this, you're gonna get here e power t minus e power t times of t equal to 0. Check here. So this is getting cancelled. Okay. All right. We'll club the y terms together. So I can write here t and et together. I'll write, bacha. 1 second. Have a little patience. This and this together, and this together. So what I get now? I can take here dt by dy common for the first term. It'll become y plus yet. Okay. I can take y also common, no? So keep here y also common. It'll become 1 plus et. Excuse me. It'll become 1 plus et. Check this out. I'm taking y dt by dy common. It'll become 1 plus et. Okay. What else I have? Plus this t, bacha. This t plus et equals to 0. I'll write the same thing on this side. So I have dt by dy. This is a y, of course. 1 plus et plus t plus et equal to 0. I'll cross check. Let's cross check. 11C is right. Yes, Shagufta. 11C is correct. Others, answers, please. Okay. Not happy with the session, but none of you are able to answer any question. Please check. So t plus et is over here. 1 plus et is over there. Correct? Yeah, this looks right. This looks right. Okay. Just have to make this more clear. I made a mess on this side. Take on the other side, which will become. Have a look. So this is okay, right? This is all good. Signs are all good. No sign mistake? No. Chali. So let's make this happen. What is this going to be? Y dt by dy equals to, okay, times, I forgot. Times 1 plus et is there, no? Times 1 plus et is there will be equal to minus of t plus e power t. Okay. And we have over here, it will become, so let's do one thing. I've taken, I think, incorrect one, but it's okay, it works, no problem. Let's dy on this side. Let's take dy by this y on this side and this on this side. It will become dt times of 1 plus e power t divided by t plus e power t equals to minus what I have, dy by y, right? Is this okay? All right, can you do this? Can you bring this thing over here again? So it will become dt 1 plus e power t upon t plus e power t plus dy by y equal to 0. Integrate now. What are you gonna get? You're gonna get over here, this has a constant. Sorry, this will be a constant. This will become a log of t plus e power t. Please check. Log of t plus e power t. How come, sir? You can check here, no? T plus e power t take as v, it will become 1 plus e power t equals to dv by dt, right? Correct, no? So whole thing will become dv equals to 1 plus e power t dt, right? So I can replace here this bacha with dv. This is going to be v. So log of t plus t plus e power t plus log of y equals to a constant. So I can write here log of c. Log of c. Please check. Yeah. So I can write this, combine this. This whole thing will become log of y times of t plus e power t equals to log c. Remove the logs now. What I get? Y times of t plus e power t equals to c. Equals to c. What is y? Y is as it is. T is going to be, what is t value, bacha? The t value I've taken here as x by y. Okay, x by y. So right here x by y plus e power x by y equals to c. Cancel this. So this will be cancelled over here. So I get here x plus y times of e power x by y equal to c. Option number C is correct. Let's look at the comments now. I want to see what you guys are saying. How is this question? Good? It's a very good question. Have a look. Okay, please have a look. All of this part is only for substitution, bacha. This part is here only for substitution, sir. Okay, substitution. Please check. Yeah. So let's move on to question number 12. 11th, anyone having doubt? All of you are having doubt. 11th one, come on, tell me. 11th one, all of you having doubt or anyone is having doubt? Okay. All right, sir. Question number 12th now. No comments. Very silent comment section today. Very silent. Usually you guys are very talkative, but today no questions, no queries, no answers. What happened? Very difficult, sir. Okay. This one, 12th. So I'll wait however long it takes. You have to give the answer for the 12th one. I'm not giving the answer. 12th one, give me the answer. Shagufta, Shahana, Lakshmi. In 11, explain last step, sir. Bacha, this part over here, if you check, no, what is happening? This is log, no? This is log, right? From here I'm explaining, bacha. So this is going to be, sir, substitution, right? It will become v. This thing will become, please check. This thing will become v, bacha. This thing will become v, and this thing will become dv. So what is this going to be? dv by v, no? So log of v, right? Log of v. So log of a plus log of b becomes product of these two. This is a constant, right? It will become log c only. Okay. So it becomes log of these two terms multiplication equals to log c. From here what we get? These two are equal. So y times of t plus e power t is equal to c. From here put the value of t back, x by y plus e power x by y. Okay. T is x power y, no? T is x by y. T is x by y. Put it here. So x by y plus e power x by y equal to c, x plus y e power x by y. Because y and y will cancel, this will be simply with y multiplied equal to c. Question number 12th now. Please check. Give me answer for 12th one. A. 12th one, A is correct, bacha. 12th A is correct. Others, what happened? Guys, come on. 12th is simple. Is it not? Okay. 12th is simple, right? Of course. Highest degree, bacha, is going to be what, sir? So highest order is 2, sir. If you take this side, it will become, bacha, rho times of d square y upon dx square, okay, equals to 1 plus dy by dx to the power 4, I think. Okay, 3 by 4 is there. How we get rid of this power 3 by 4? Taking fourth power on both sides, it will become rho power 4 d square y upon dx square power 4 equals to 1 plus dy by dx power 4 the whole cube. Sir, here power is 12. No, check for the highest order derivatives power. No, so your order is going to be from here 2, that's highest degree, will be 4. Option A is correct. Option Kushuma Girish. Hi Kushuma. Okay, you're late bacha. Question number 12 is done. Option A is correct. Question number 13 now. Others solve it. Question number 13 now. I wanted more answers from all of you, but others are very silent today. Not good. Very unhappy. Okay, Survana is saying 2 and 4. Correct, Survana. Okay, 2 and 4 is right. Question number 13 now. The solution of the differential equation. Who's giving me the answer for this one? I will not solve it. Guys, try. Question number 13, you guys all try, please. I will wait for all of you to solve. Shagufta, Shuvarna, Shahana, Kushuma. Okay, Kushum actually. Kushuma is, I think Kushum is right word, right way to explain, pronunciate your name right. Shahana, Lakshmi, all of you, come on, solve this. Question number 13. Option is which one? Guys, I'll wait for 1 minute because it's a very simple question. That's why I'm waiting. Otherwise, I would have solved it by now. Okay. B. Okay, B is wrong. Kushum, B is incorrect, bacha. B is incorrect. Try again. Others, come on. B is incorrect, sir. How can you solve it? Arey, standard form, sir. This is LDE, linear differential equation. Look for your P and Q values. P and Q values. What is this going to be? Please check. Look for your P and Q values, na bacha. What is P? What is Q? Rakshita Gowda is saying A. That is the right answer. A is correct, I think. I'll solve it, but I think it's correct. Question is saying A. What is the first step? So, okay, I'll solve, bacha. Don't worry. So, first step would be compare here. So, whatever except for y over here is P, no? So, I'll write it over here again. dy by dx plus P times of y. This is a standard form of LDE. Standard form of LDE, linear differential equation. Compare this with this. Compare this with this. What do you get? You get P value as 2x upon 1 plus x square. And you get Q value as 1 upon 1 plus x square ka whole square. Correct? Usually when you don't have 2x over here, the integration of this is going to be what? Tan inverse. But over here we have 2x. It will become, the integrating factor bacha will become actually e power integral of 2x 1 plus x square dx bacha. Usually what we do, tan inverse of x, sir. Over here we can't do that. Why, sir? Because actually there will be a substitution here, no? 1 plus x square can become equal to t. Differentiate this, it will become, sir, 2x dx equals to dt bacha. 2x dx equals to dt, sir. 1 is 0, x square is 2x. dx will come on this side, equal to dt. So this whole thing will become, have a look. So IF will become e power dt by t ka integration. So e power log t. What is t, sir? E power log 1 plus x square. Log and e will cancel the effect. What is the answer? 1 plus x square is my answer for integrating factor. So what is going to be final answer? Y times of integrating factor equal to integration of the same thing, integrating factor times of q. What is q value, bacha? This q value over here, 1 upon 1 plus x square the whole square dx. This will cancel on one of this. Okay, this will remain as it is, y times of 1 plus x square. This will be, now nothing is left, dx by this, so tan inverse of x plus c. Option A is correct. Option A is correct. Okay, Kaushik, Rakshita, everyone has given the right answer for this one. So Varna, got it now? Shreyas, A is again the right answer. Please check. This is your final answer. Now all of you are here and answering the questions when we are about to end the session. Earlier, all asleep, right? What happened? Sir, too difficult. Not difficult at all. You were just not putting efforts. Chaliye, question number 13A is correct. Let's move on to 14th now. This is the last question of the day. You are all here when we are solving the last question. Come on. 14th question. Ask. Okay, 14th one. Shahana is saying, egg knowledge games. Now, bacha, you're coming. Sarath, now you're coming. Shreyas got it. Okay, sir. 14th, come on, solve it now. All of you give me the answer for the 14th one. I will not solve this question. All of you give me. I want all of you. I think 10-15 people are answering the questions. All of you have to give me the answer. Come on. Chaliye. Got, sir. Okay, very good Kushum. Shreyas also. Good, very good. Question number 14 now, please solve. Question number 14. I am waiting. I'm not going to solve it before you solve it. Please solve. Sorry, sir, I was out. Okay, bacha, you can watch the session later. But very important, no, 3 important chapters. Differential equations, integrals and AOI. And all the questions that I've taken today was quality questions. When you go ahead and watch the session again, you will miss that, sir, I should have been in the live and I should have asked my doubts, because you will have doubts. Okay. Kaushik is saying B. B is incorrect, sir. B is incorrect, sir. Okay. Kushuma is saying 2. Again incorrect, bacha. Think about no use of logic, sir. Take here as t, differentiate, you'll get this as 4 plus dy by dx plus 0 and dt by dx. Sir, of course, I will never use my brain, sir. dy by dx equals to dt by dx minus 4. Put it here. In this, dt by dx minus 4 equals to t square. I will never use my brain, sir. dt by dx equals to 4 plus t square. Okay. Alright. So write this dt upon 4 plus t square equals to dx, integrate dt by 2 square plus t square, integrate. From here, can you give me answers, all of you? 14th A. 14th A is incorrect, sir. 14th A is incorrect. Okay, so you'll give me all options, no? Which is the incorrect one. Finally, you get the right answers because I'm saying incorrect. Okay, chaliye, I'll solve it. Very disappointed. What are you gonna get from here? Tan inverse of what will have 1 by 2 will always be there. Of course, 1 by a tan inverse of t by a or t by 2. Of course, it will become x. Okay, let's keep this as a constant k. All right. Bring this 2 on the side, it will become so tan inverse of t by 2 equals to 2x plus 2k. Alright, I'm going to solve this remaining steps over here. Please check. It will become so t by 2 equals to tan of 2x plus c. How come, sir? I'm taking 2k as c. So 2x is 2x, tan of 2x. So this will become t equals to 2 tan 2x plus c. Now answer is coming right. D. That's what you're here for, right? Just giving me answers once I give you the solutions. Okay, Kaushik D, yes, but not happy. Please check. This is going to be your value of t, 4x plus y plus 1, and this is simply 2 tan of 2x plus c. Horrible. Okay, very horrible. None of you have, participated properly in the session today. Okay, except for Shahana and Shagufta. Even though they were getting incorrect answers at times, but they have given a proper effort in the session. Please check. This is clear. Okay. Now, as promised, I will wait here today. This is the end of the session. Your questions are complete. I've taken 14 questions today from all the chapters and I've solved it. Now, if you have a doubt, you can ask me in any question. Okay. Any question you have a doubt, you can ask me. I'll wait here for some time before I leave. Alright. Please check. Any doubt you have? Amnaz, Banu, option D is correct, bacha. Okay. Knowledge games. Yes, sir. Clear. Very good, Shagufta. Good work, bacha. You have done a very good work today. I know it was a challenging chapter, but that's what, no, if you stay till the end, you get the result out of it, of course, right? If you maintain the consistency, that's all is required in anything you want to do. Whatever you're doing, failing today, it's okay. Failure is not a problem. Just maintain that consistency. Again, come back tomorrow and do the work. Very good, Sagupta. Proud bacha. Next, others. So people have already left. Good. I'll continue this series again later. Sir, I thought the variable separable method of this question. Variable separable method. Yeah, the same thing as I've used over here, no? Correct, no? Okay, this is yeah. So this is from here, no? After substitution, it's become same thing, right? After substitution, this is what method, bacha? This is going to be variable separable only, no? After substitution, what happens to this? Variable separable, sir. Why not over here, bacha? Why not over here? Because it will be 3 terms, of course, and it will become 4x into y into 2. So you can't separate again that. It will become 8xy. Why you want to do that? If you use the variable separable directly over here without substitution, it will become much tidy. Okay? And difficult to solve. But this makes sense. Okay, so sir, Shreyas, I hope I have answered your question. Sir, in application of integral, I am feeling difficulty in solving questions. So I don't think you should. I'll tell you 2 reasons. How to do it, I'll tell you first. How to get rid of that problem. Solve some more questions, okay? Today only, if you have time in your schedule of to study today, routine, if you have maths in that, solve questions today only. First you solve these questions, what I've given you in the session. How can you do that? Sessions PDF will be provided in the WhatsApp channel, so I hope you're already there. So you can download the sessions PDF from there and solve these questions again. And again, what you can do is take any question bank for KCET and solve questions on your KCET ready problems. Either PYQ or KCET ready, your choice. PYQ, if you want to solve PYQ. Otherwise, you can solve KCET ready problems. One more thing you can do is, if you're very struggling a lot, do one thing: solve some NCERT problems first. Go ahead, solve examples of NCERT, just a couple of questions, and then solve some questions from miscellaneous. If you're very struggling a lot, first solve examples, then miscellaneous you solve, then come back and solve the KCET ready and PYQs. That's more than enough. Got your doubt clear, Mr. Gupta? Kushum is saying round off to 3 decimal places, 62.831. What is that, bacha? Round off to 3 decimal places. You're asking me this question? Okay, sir. Thank you. Session was amazing. Okay, sir Gupta. Good, bacha. Kushum, thank you. Okay. Chaliye. That's all right. So I don't think any questions are there. I'll end the session. I'll see you again very soon. Just keep working hard. Okay. You have tough time ahead. Chaliye. Do this, what I've said to you, Sir Gupta. Okay. So with this, I'm going to end the session right now. Any other questions coming in? I'll wait for a minute. No. Chaliye. See you again very soon. Take care.